Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today's video. Today's video, guys, I'll be doing a no makeup look, and a sun-kissed look for you guys. Because it's 7 degrees here in Australia, and I've had enough. You know when it's hot, but you gotta look good? I got you. I got you. If you wanna see my summer go-to routine, then please keep on watching. Hello everybody! Hey! I thought it would be cute to have this before and after shot, so here's my naked face. To prep my face, I'm gonna be using the Badescu, the purple spray, the facial spray with Aloe, Chamomile. Girl, I ain't got no time for that. It has a vitamin C that combats skin aging and free radicals, leaving the skin balanced and bright. Since it's an everyday no makeup look, I like to start using my makeup with, of course, moisturizer. I'm gonna be using my NARS Tinted Moisturizer, which is my all-time favorite moisturizer. This moisturizer actually has a medium coverage, but if you want to achieve that extra coverage and natural looking finish, the best way to use this is with the use of your fingers. Next, for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Golden. At first, I thought this concealer was a really dark concealer, but then when I started blending it properly with the use of brush and a sponge, of course, oh my god, it's so good. And can I just say that the smell of this one is so good. It smells so nice. It smells like a shampoo, but I don't know what shampoo it is, but it smells so good. This Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot of product because the tendency is to cake up your face. Now that you've got everything blended, we're gonna be using the Morphe Brontour, of course, to bronze our face. Whenever I do my contour on a daily basis, girl, like everyday basis, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you know what I mean? I just like to emphasize or to enhance my cheekbones and of course to make my forehead a little bit smaller, especially my nose. Because you know, my nose looks like a dildo. Now, of course, to add some color on my face, I'm gonna be using the Essence Matte Blush and the shade Coral. I really love this shade so much. Even though it's a drugstore, I still love it. As you can see, guys, I already hit pan. It's that good. It's really nice. I use it almost every single day. I wear it whenever I cook. I wear it whenever I go out. I wear it whenever I have a crap. Now for brows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wigs that I just got from Sephora. Now, what I would normally do to fix this brows that is thick as for my everyday look, just love to keep it soft, natural, and bushy. I just love using my spoolie to brush it up and keep it really clean. And of course, I'm gonna be adding, or I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the brow wigs to the bald spot. I just filled out the bald spots on my eyebrows since my eyebrows is on deforestation mood page. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration. Now this highlighter is the bomb. At first, I thought at the first application of it, like a first wipe, it would be like highlighted and pigmented as but the thing is, you need to build it up. It's up to you if you want it really blending or if you want it really subtle. It's up to you because on first wipe of this highlighter, it's not that pigmented, but when you build it up and you want it like really blinding, girl, it's really good. Now to spice up my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now what I love about this mascara is it will actually leave your eyelashes thick and long. Everyone loves thick and long, I mean. Anyways, aside from that, the only thing that I don't like about this, you put too much of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the tendency is to have a clumpy eyelashes, which is not really good. Like clumpy eyelashes, no girl, it's 2019. We gotta leave that so we properly use it, because if you use too much, girl. Now, one of my all-time go-to looks is actually putting the fake freckles. So for the fake freckles, I'm gonna be going back again with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. After the freckles, you can actually blend it with your finger or with the use of your final powder so it won't erase or it won't destroy your overall look. Get what I mean? Ow! Now for the lips, I love using the Fenty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. The Fenty Gloss Bomb is the type of gloss that's worth the money. It has a sheen of pink nude shade. It has super great scent of peach and vanilla. Oh my god, I just want to eat this lip gloss so bad. But don't get me wrong guys, I super love this product, but based on my experience, the only problem that I have here is that I have to reapply this gloss every 30 minutes as it dries really quickly in my lips. That's based on my experience. Two setting spray here that I really love and I adore so much. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is the best setting spray that I've ever tried, and of course the Mario Badescu. Of course, I'm gonna be using the Mario Badescu for that extra glow and for the skincare properties of it. Get what I mean? Get what I mean? That is it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this mini tutorial. And please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And always remember, to put your packness to the next level. See you guys in the next video. Bye!